Hey my loves, it's your girl Nana back with another video. So today's video will be on how to apply eyelashes. So I have these lashes by Ienvey. This is the Kiss lashes that I usually wear on every makeup tutorial that I do. I usually apply both my eyeliner and my eyelashes off camera because I like to look in the mirror while doing it. So first I will be going in with my Ienvey lash strip glue, and I am just going to apply this on my eyelashes. By the way, this is white clear glue, so once applied it's gonna turn white, and once it dries it turns clear. So basically what I'm saying is this is the glue, it's all white, and once you apply it to the outer crease of the eyelash, is going to clear up. So this is how it looks now. Once it dries up and gets tacky, that's when it's time to apply it to the eyelids. So now the glue is tacky, so it is now time to apply it to my eyelids. So I will be taking my Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm mirror, and I'm just going to look right at the mirror while applying this lash. Also, what I like to do, I like to press down on my real eyelashes and the fake ones and make sure that it's securely glued down to my eyelash. And boom, you're done. Looks so pretty. Aww. So now I'm just going to apply the other lash. So lastly, I am going in with my Maybelline New York Pump It Up Mascara, and I'm just going to apply this on my bottom lashes. By the way, this is going to pop out my bottom lashes even more because I have such thin eyelashes in the bottom. You can't barely see them. And that's it for this lash tutorial, loves. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. I hope you took something from this video, if it was very helpful for you, if you learned something new about it. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate if you do. And yeah guys, this is about it. This is the finished look. Okay guys, so that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye my loves.